Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy birthday if today's your birthday. The curly girl is back. I figured I had worn my hair straight for like 2 weeks straight, so I'll go for the curls for a little bit and then, you know, maybe switch it up again. By the way, if you hear my computer making noises, it's having a little bit of an issue this morning. Nothing that we can't handle, nothing that we haven't been through before. My little guy, just an old man, so you gotta give him some time. He makes some strange noises sometimes. Anyway, good morning, you guys. You know, I do want to explain a little something because I did let you guys know that I was going away to Big Bear and I would be vlogging it, but I did not. I got nothing. It can just sometimes be really hard to vlog on trips like that where you're just hanging at the house, not really doing much, just everyone's hanging out, chatting, like it's a very chill time. Can be sort of difficult to vlog. Plus it was such a big group, I had every intention of it. I brought my camera with me, but it just didn't happen. So sorry, but there's not gonna be a Big Bear vlog. I did get a couple little clips that I'll throw in right now. It was such a fun weekend, you guys. Like, we had a blast. It was a nice, you know, I was a little concerned because I've been really just a little worn down. Felt like I haven't had enough free time lately. And so I was a little like, oh, I don't even really wanna go away for the weekend, but it ended up being perfect because we just chilled the whole time. So even though I was still like tired getting home yesterday, I wasn't too tired. It wasn't like too bad, which was nice.
Time.
All right, let's go round.
And by the.
Here we go.
Oh
Super
God.
Bowl Sunday.
Oh baby. Not for me. Cheers. What time is it?
Yeah. Oh.
And now it is Tuesday. I took yesterday off because we were coming back from Big Bear. I knew I would be tired and just wanting to relax, so I did. But that means that we have quite a bit to do today. I don't think I have a to-do list going yet, so that is what I'm going to work on first here. Okay, that feels pretty doable, pretty solid on that. We are definitely gonna be working on cleaning a little bit as well, but I'm thinking that's gonna be more tomorrow because Connor's actually out of town today and tomorrow. He left this morning, but he comes back tomorrow night, which is nice because it's not too long that he's gone. He's just in San Francisco for work. He's gonna be traveling quite a bit to San Francisco and just like up a little further to the northwest for some work stuff. So definitely gonna be tagging along on some of those trips, but obviously can't do them all. If I could, I would though. But anyway, I do sort of want to like clean the place, like get a really nice clean in for him to come home to. I just think that would be nice. We've been a little overdue for it, but we've just been so busy. There hasn't been an opportunity. So I'm hoping that tomorrow I can spend some time doing that, but I think that's gonna be a different vlog. I need to get into some work here because there is some sort of time-sensitive things that I need to take care of. I feel like I'm like shocked every time I see myself in the viewfinder here with my curls back again. This morning I woke up, I was like, what do I even do with these? Let's get into it, get our day started here. Ooh, I'm a little chilly. What else is new? Just taking my little morning vitamins here. If you missed me talking about my gummy vitamins, I've been taking them. I take apple cider vinegar, B12 and collagen. But I love it because in the mornings, I just like get to snack on candy, it feels like. And the collagen ones are my favorite because they're in a little heart shape. I don't know if you guys could see that, but there you go. Anyway, I don't know, I just felt like coming around and telling you guys about my gummy vitamins again. Such a nice little treat in the morning. I think the best tasting ones are my apple cider vinegar ones. They're just the most gummy. They're so soft, so yummy. Gummy and yummy. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this segment of Jill eating her gummy vitamins. Groceries. It's a bit of a smaller haul just because I didn't need that much stuff. It's already Tuesday, Connor's out of town, so there's less people eating. You know, you guys get the drill. So, a couple new things in here though. First up being this Dawn Power Wash. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but when you spray it, it like turns into a foam. I actually want to try using this to clean our stove. I've been looking for the best way to clean that. Usually I just use Clorox wipes. It does the trick, but I think this could be really good. So I'm excited to try that. Speak of the devil, we were out of Clorox wipes, so got them. Actually, I guess these are technically Lysol, but all the same. Needed some fresh toothpaste, so got a 2-pack there, and some more minced garlic, romaine lettuce, just for salads or whatever, a couple of those microwave rice packets. Got some tofu so I can make that cold Japanese tofu for lunch this week. Shredded Parmesan, I've really been liking having that on hand. It's just nice to have in the fridge. Bean sprouts, these are the crispy clover and alfalfa. I've never tried this one. I usually get the broccoli one, but they were out, so I'm sure it all tastes the same, honestly. Also got a couple avocados here. Next up, a little baguette for Connor to make his sandwiches. Got another box of popcorn, simply salted. This stuff is so good, and I swear it doesn't just taste like salted popcorn. It definitely tastes buttery too, but not too buttery. Not like butter's been poured on top of it, but more like it was popped in butter. I don't know, but it tastes amazing. I'm obsessed. And then just some eggs. We were all out, and that's the haul. Oh, I seriously still keep getting shocked by my curly hair being here again. Identity crisis constantly. I'm like, straight hair, who am I? Curly hair, who am I? Ugh. Girls are looking cute though. They are back to play. Anyway, it is lunchtime. I finished editing the video that I need to get done, so that's good. And figured while that exports, we might as well make some lunch. We're trying a new recipe. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna come back in a second because I have to let some water boil first, and then we'll get into what we're making. But this is just a little something that I learned from TikTok. We are back and our water is boiling. I'm gonna give this little recipe a try. We are going to make this little recipe with these eggs. Let me find it. They look amazing. I'm super excited. So I know we're gonna start by putting 2 eggs in the bottom of a little bowl like this. And we're going to pour said boiling water over top of the eggs. Pour the boiling water. But they are submerged. Beautiful. Now we need to cover it. I'm so bad at ripping plastic wrap, you guys. How about you? Okay, you know what? Whatever. We're just rolling with this. We cover it, a bit of plastic wrap, and we leave it for 11 minutes. So I'll be back then. So our 11 minutes is almost up. We have 60 seconds left. Here's what I did in the meantime. I chopped up some cucumber, some green scallion. I also heated up some leftover rice I had in the fridge and pulled what we're gonna need for the eggs, because there are a couple other little things. Soy sauce, sesame oil, some sesame seeds, and some chili onion crunch. Basically, it cracks open. It's still like sort of soft and runny, and apparently it tastes like super custardy almost. He just did it with just the egg. I'm obviously adding more because it's a lunch, so I want it to be a little bit bigger, but I think it's gonna be really good. I am very excited for this. Grab these eggs out of here. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, we have our eggs in there. They look just like in the video, so I'm pretty excited. I'm going to put my cucumber in there now, and then we're gonna dress these up. Soy sauce first, sesame oil, green onion. I can never get this open. Oh, come on, this is like the key ingredient. I need it. Oh, it really won't budge, you guys. I don't know what to do. Oh, yeah, that worked. Okay, good. Whew, that was intense. Nice amount of the chili onion crunch on there. And voila, here we are. I am so excited to try this. Alrighty, time to give it a try. So I'm just gonna like crack these eggs open. Let them just pool in there. Oh my god, I totally see what he means about like the custardy texture. I think this is gonna be so yummy. It's just like very goopy and delicious in there. It seems very saucy. I do love my sauces. It smells so good too. Oh, there's the chili spice. That is delicious. Another amazing meal. Thank you, TikTok. Anyone else out there extremely disturbed with the sudden disappearance of all international Survivor seasons off of Paramount Plus? Like, that's literally why we subscribe. And they haven't made any announcements about whether it was on purpose, if it was a mistake. It disappeared apparently in the middle of the day because I was creepy on Twitter to see if other people were talking about it. Everyone is bombarding them asking for answers, and they just haven't even announced it. Probably like one of the most popular things on their platform from what I can tell. But I'm upset about it because I was in the middle of an episode season 4 Australia, and I'm thinking, I don't know exactly what the issue is, but I'm thinking that there's an issue because it also got taken off of Prime, and it was on Amazon Prime before, so I'm concerned that it may not be coming back. Darn. Oh, I'm very, very upset about this. Excuse me, ma'am, that is where I'm sitting. You silly girl, Mama's gotta sit first if you want to cuddle. Come on up. Yeah. End of the day, and I am about to get a workout in. Going to be doing a live class today, so we're on a bit of a time crunch. Hello. But it is raining, you guys. Let me show you quickly, because of course I'm running late. Okay, you can barely tell, but it is raining, which I'm very excited about. I love a good rain. Workout complete, you guys. Molly was being so cute during the ending part of it. I was so sad I didn't have my camera set up. I mean, look, she's still being really cute. But like when we were doing our floor stuff, she was just all over me and like tumbling next to me, and it looked like she was trying to do it with me. It was so cute. Anyway, it is about 6:15 now, so I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'm gonna get cozy, and we're gonna have a nice chill rest of our evening. But this actually just reminded me, let me see if I can, it just reminded me while I was working out that I haven't shown you guys this. So funny because someone was literally just asking if I would get more tattoos or if I had any plans to, and I was like, absolutely not. And here we are. So here's what happened. Basically, this weekend, my friend CP brought her little stick and poke kit to Big Bear, and we got some stick and pokes. We kept it really safe, sanitized, obviously fresh needles for every single person, gloves, the whole deal. I promise we were safe with it. And she has actually done some stick and pokes on some of our other friends who were there already. And so I was like, I want in. And this is what I got. It's just a little butterfly, which I think is really cute. Look at it. She did such a good job, you guys. I like this so much that once this fades, because it is a stick and poke, so it won't last forever, but I do sort of want to get it like actually permanently done or like professionally done because it looks so cute. I really love it. I sort of wanted it in a place where you could see it, but also like hide it very easily. You can obviously wear shirts that like cover this, but also like you can see it, you know, when I'm wearing things that I would typically wear. Anyway, that's the story. I really, really like it though. I think it's very fun. It was just like a fun, spontaneous thing to do. You know, why not? All of my other tattoos have like pretty deep and personal meanings to me. And this sort of doesn't, to be honest. I just thought it was sort of pretty. But what I like about it is that I got it done while we were on a trip and a friend did it, which is sort of fun, and it just becomes a fun memory that's related to it. I always love getting tattoos on trips. I've gotten quite a few of my tattoos while traveling because I feel like it's just a little memory that goes along with the tattoo. So anyway, that's the deal. Anyway, let's go shower and get cozy. I just feel like curling up on the couch. It's still raining out a little bit. It's like a little chilly. I'm just loving the vibes. The chill vibes are everything. Gonna do a little bit of quick skincare post shower because I have this little zit that popped up here. Gonna put a little bit of this propolis energy stuff on my face. This is from CNP Laboratory. Also guys, got a touch of bad news. Connor was supposed to come home tomorrow, which is Wednesday, and now can't come home until Friday. Spent his trip by 2 days, which is a real bummer. Not looking forward to it, to be honest. That felt so good on my skin. I love the way that my skin absorbs that. Bit of Hydro Boost. I feel like I've said this before, but never let your products go to waste. Don't just like wash them off your hands. Just go ahead and put them on the back of your hands, or if you still have extra, like on your chest. We pay a lot of money for this stuff, so you can't be just washing it off. Gonna put on some of my Laneige lip sleeping mask. Whoa, okay. And then for this little zit, I'm thinking a Mighty Patch. Love these, you guys know. Favorite acne product, I'm pretty sure. This is #1 for me at this point. And I just love that like they're clear, and so they just sort of like disappear into your face. Like I wear these on planes out of the house sometimes, so I'm just running a quick errand. Like if someone looks at you closely, they can see, but for the most part, it's not that obvious. And plus, like, I break out most like along my chin area here, and we wear masks, obviously, so that helps too. It's just the best. Alright friends, I'm probably just gonna like chill and scroll or something for the next half hour, and then we'll get some dinner started. Dinner time, we are going to try something new today because I have been dying to try this miso ginger broth from Trader Joe's. It has been in my cabinet and I am very excited. So, this is to give it a good shake. Ooh, that's a good idea. It says to cook rice in the broth. That sounds really yummy. Not that that's what we're doing right now, but that's okay. So let's get our stove turned on. I'm just gonna do like something really simple and easy because I just want to be lazy. I'm gonna do like probably half of this box in here. And then I want to throw in some broccoli, and I'm also gonna put in some of these chicken mini wontons. We're gonna make it sort of like a wonton soup. I love these mini chicken wontons. They're so good to throw into things like this. Got everything in there, and I'm just gonna let that heat up now, obviously. I also chopped up a little bit of the sriracha tofu from Trader Joe's that I'm gonna throw in at the end, and I'm gonna put some kimchi in here too. And this will be dinner. It's gonna be super yummy, pretty easy, fairly healthy, not like anything crazy, but fairly. A watched pot never boils, as they say, so I need to walk away from this because it is, in fact, not boiling. And we're back. Have my tofu in the bowl over here. We're just gonna pour the broth over it. I suck at pouring from pots. Like, I feel like it always gets everywhere. Get some kimchi in there. Nice spoonful of that. This is my favorite thing to add into like every soup. A little spoonful of chili onion crunch. Oh my god, this thing is stuck again, and like I put the lid on, so I couldn't put it on that tight. There we go. Anyway, this just adds like a really obviously nice spicy flavor. I love adding like some sort of oil into soups in general. I feel like it makes them taste really good and adds like a dynamic flavor. This looks so good. And it also only took like 10 minutes to make, which is amazing. Here is our finished soup. We're gonna try it in a second, and I'm going to watch some Succession because I fell asleep during the season finale and Connor did not. So anyway, he stayed up and watched it, and whoa, okay. He told me that it's absolutely nuts, so I am very excited to finally watch it. But first, let's do a little taste test, even though this is hot. I don't even know if I'll be able to really try it. I feel like these wontons are gonna be next level. I am very into this, you guys. I do feel like maybe it's more of a lunch than a dinner. A little wonton soup lunch, but it's still so good. Friends, bedtime has arrived. It is just about 10 p.m. and I'm going to crawl into bed and just like chill and scroll on my phone a little bit. That's what I feel like doing tonight. Probably watch a couple YouTube videos and get a good hard pass out going on because that sounds very nice. I was up pretty early this morning because Connor was leaving. He had to leave around like 6:30 this morning, so he was up at 5:30. So I was up from like 5:30 to 7-ish and then went back to sleep for an hour, but this felt like a very long day. So I'll leave you here. Thanks so much for watching today for just this very chill, go with the flow vlog. There wasn't a whole lot going on, but I was happy to take you along anyway. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful Monday, and I'll see you in my next video.